Hello, and welcome back to Learn on the Go. You will learn to read words with the sound E. The letter I sounds E. So you're going to learn how to read the words with the sound E. Let's get started. P, E, T, P, E, T. Pit, B, E, G, B, E, K. Big, W, E, G, W, E, G. Wig, E, P, E, P. Hip, K, E, D, K, E, D. Kid, P, E, G, P, E, G. Pig, Z, E, P, Z, E, P. Zip, F, E, U, F, E, U. Fin. Good job! Now it's your turn to read them. Pause the video and read them on your own. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it around, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please turn on the notifications to know the latest videos that are coming out from Learn on the Go. Until we see you again, bye!